In this follow-up video, you learn how to design this threaded table leg in FreeCAD. It will look like this when the model is finished. Let's start in the Part Design Workbench and create a new sketch. Select the XZ plane. Now you can sketch on this plane. Select the normal rectangle tool. Then click on the origin and drag the mouse to the bottom right. Enter 25 mm for the radius because it will be revolved. Press Tab and enter 155 mm for the length of the leg. Press Enter sometimes twice to apply the dimensions. Click on Close to exit the sketch. So the sketch is complete. You can now create a solid from the sketch with the Revolve tool. The sketch will be rotated around the vertical axis. Let's enter another number of degrees to see how that looks. To create a full round shape, make sure it's set to 360 degrees. Click on OK to apply. Now select the bottom edge and go to the Fillet tool. Enter a radius of 15 mm and click here to see the preview. Click on OK to apply the fillet. Now, one side of the leg is rounded. To add the threaded rod, go to the Fasteners workbench. Select the top edge and add this metric threaded rod. Return to another workbench for more screen space. Select the threaded rod in the design tree. Choose M36 for the size and enter 25 mm for the length. Check Thread to model the threaded profile. The rod has to be placed a bit more inside the model. Enter an offset of 5 mm for this. Now the rod is placed more inside for better adhesion. The model is finished. In the next video, you learn to assemble the table legs to the tabletop. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.